In this video, we will see possible solution of error sector not found error code 27 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code with error message, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left sidebar, go to privacy and security. Click on it. Thereafter, go to right side and click on Windows security. Here choose virus and threat protection. Click on it. A new window will open, Windows security. Here scroll down and you will find scan options. Click on it. Here you will find 4 options. Here click on full scan. Make the check against full scan and click on scan now. Windows will now scan your system, a full system scan. If any virus found, it will resolve them. And check whether your error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Here open disk cleanup. From appeared result, click on open. A new disk cleanup wizard will open. Here select the drive you want to clean up, basically C drive where your program files exist, and click on OK. A new window will open. Here go to files to delete section and make the check against all these options: delivery optimization file, recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, and click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files. And after that, restart your system and check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to Windows Update. Click on Windows Update and there right side choose check for updates. And if any pending updates available, then download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of this error. Thereafter go to advanced options. Here scroll down and choose optional updates. And if any driver updates also available, then simply select it and choose download and install. Follow on screen instruction to complete the downloading and installation process and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, execute the command DISM tool as shown on a screen. These 3 DISM tool execute one by one in command prompt windows: DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these 3 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. After each entry, press enter. And once successfully execution of DISM tool, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter and wait till 100% verification complete. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. After that, restart your system. And the next workaround is right click on a start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type RSTRUI. Click on OK. This command will open restore system files and settings space. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. Click on next. Here choose a system restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Computer will be back after this point. Click on next and finally confirm your restore point. So this will restore your system from the previous state and your problem will definitely be resolved.